Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gemini AI on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Gemini AI on your iPhone, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest iOS version. Visit the App Store and search for Gemini AI. Once located, tap on the Get button to download and install the app. After installation, find the Gemini AI app on your home screen and tap to open it. On the welcome screen, you may be prompted to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, select the Sign Up option and follow the prompts to register. For returning users, enter your credentials and log in to access the app. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard where you can find different features. To start a new project, look for the New Project button and tap it. Choose from the available templates or start with a blank canvas. After selecting, you will enter the project editor, where you can add text, images, and other elements. To utilize Gemini's AI features, tap on the AI Tools section, usually located in the menu. Here, you can explore various functions such as text generation, image enhancement, and more. Select a feature you wish to use and follow the on-screen instructions to apply it to your project. As you work, remember to save your progress frequently by tapping the Save icon. Once you are satisfied with your project, look for the Export or Share button to finalize your creation. Choose your preferred format or platform for sharing your project. Finally, review any additional settings before completing your export or share. Now you're ready to explore the capabilities of Gemini AI on your iPhone and enhance your creative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.